Okay, this is how I actually cut my photos so that I can use different shapes and circles and stuff like that when I want to do a photo. When you place your photo on the mat and you use your Gypsy actually has a very accurate grid on it that will coordinate with the mat that you're using. So basically you're going to kind of look at the image or the area that you want to cut out. Looking at your numbers, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to go across the 4. Of course, I don't want to cut his chin off, so I'm going to probably go 4.5, just so that I get right underneath his chin for this circle, which means that I also want to come up here and go 2.5 because I'm okay with cutting some of the graduation hat off. That gives me 1.5, so that goes 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 inches. Actually, I can go 3.25, so we'll kind of measure there. So I know I want to place my circles in between the 1.25 mark here and the 4.5 mark here. Okay, and then on this way, I know there's my 1 and my 4. So I'm going to basically place my circle in between those grids. There's my circle on my Gypsy. All I have to do now is come over. I've chosen a circle from Plantin School Book. I want to make sure that it's true to size so that when I change the size I know exactly what I'm getting. So there I am, true to size there. And I want it to be 3.25 inches in circumference. I'm going to place it, zoom in so that I can get more accurate in my placement. I'm going to go 1.5. or 1.25 actually, going down 1.25. I want it to be between my 1 and the 4, and I'm going to kind of center it. There's my 4 column, and there are my line and my number 1 line. So I'm going to center it in between those two. Move it up, center it right there. That should be good, 3.25 inches. So here we go. Let's see how accurate we are. We're going to go ahead and press cut. There we go. Right under the chin. Look at that. His eyes are really going to show nicely with this circle cut. And this is going to be going on the end of the banner. So there we go. And we pull everything else away. You got a great circle cut. I love that. So see, that is how you can use your Gypsy and cut shapes out of your photos.